Hey, how's it going? Can you provide any details why that person's been arrested?
Yeah, she knows that she's under arrest.
Are you okay?
Okay, Melissa, you're free to go. Okay. So you have had some stuff in the past, all right? That's your latest, Okay, good for you, except for this and other things we don't know about that could be going on, right? Okay. All right. Stand up and we get a motion. Yep. Okay. Let's get you out of here. And then you're free to go.
Sorry? You can ask him. Do you want him to stop? She's asking that you stop filming because she doesn't want her face on the internet.
Oh, it's a public place. You don't need anyone's permission to record. I'm just recording for your safety. Sometimes cops get aggressive.
Well, you're making her feel unsafe.
Huh?
You're making her feel unsafe, sir.
If anyone's making her feel unsafe, it's you guys. Why'd you arrest her?
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Why'd you guys arrest her? If anyone's making her feel unsafe, it's probably you guys.
You can ask her.
Who put the cuffs on her? Who put the cuffs on her? Me or her? You guys.
She's free to go.
Why'd you guys even arrest her? Was it like a false detainment? Unlawful arrest?
You can ask her if you want.
Do you want to share your side of the story?
I'm good.
Okay,
Making her
go.
feel pretty awkward there, sir. Okay, you're free to go, Melissa. Have a good day.